I came from the nonprofit space and the government space, and I wanted a program where I could improve my leadership skills and get some of that business knowledge, but I was really worried about the traditional MBA experience and losing my values in that process. My name is Ellie Utter. I am a second year in the MBA program. This is a business school and there are a lot of people going into for-profit, but I think there is this underlying thread amongst everyone here about a desire to have impact broader than just the profit or the bottom line or our personal individual viewpoint. SOM always stood out for this and society mission, and I think my time here has just solidified that there is a way to gain these skills and gain this knowledge and use it for good in the world. I love this community because I get to wear so many different hats. I'm primarily student body president this year. I'm a lead for Voices, which is this incredible club that every Monday night, 3 students from our community share a TED Talk style PowerPoint presentation about their interests and experiences. And it's just such a great grounding for our community, so that's one of my favorite things. I think in big cities it can be easy to get kind of lost or take a second to find your footing, but I was surprised by how in New Haven it was so easy to build those connections given, I think, the really intimate space here. And I think being in a space where people come from so many different backgrounds and are so curious to learn has made it just such an enriching and exciting place to explore new parts of what I'm interested in, but also bring my own passions to the classroom.